Here I have KIANO Elegance 4.0 and let me show you how to insert here SIM cards and the microSD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the device. Hold down the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Afterwards, let's remove and open the back cover. So all you have to do is simply use your nail finger in some corner of the phone and open the whole thing. So let me do it. Excellent. And here you can insert SIM card, the first SIM card, so let me do it. This is the regular size of the SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and push it to the end. Now you have to remove the battery to insert the other cards. And here you can insert the second SIM card. This time it's micro SIM card. This is my micro SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's push this card in that position. Let me just prepare my SIM card. And let's put it that way. And let's push it to the end. Excellent. And you can also insert the microSD. This is the microSD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Excellent. In that way you just insert here two SIM cards, micro SIM, regular SIM and microSD. Let's insert here the battery and the back cover. Now let me switch on the device by holding a power key. The KIANO Elegance is turning on. Let's insert here the pin if you have some. And as you can see right now, you can use your device. So let's check out if your card works properly. Let me go back to settings. Excellent. As you can see, you can tap settings and choose SIM cards. The device is reading our two SIM cards, so it's a good sign. You can also go back, scroll down and choose storage, and the device is reading our portable storage, our microSD. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.